I think they're boarding down the stairs. What does that mean? It means they hit their faces on a wall. And here goes...
I love the running start.
Yeah, a failed...
It's the ridges. It's the ridges. We think it's the ridges.
We think it's... This is a...
We think it's the ridges.
You think so?
A Tupperware tub. That fence. Sign. Since when they... Hey, is this your first Malcolm X competition?
It is, yes.
All right, and are you hoping to place today?
I don't know what the prize is.
All right, well, I don't
If I knew what I was going for, maybe I would put my all into it.
I think it's a boosted ego.
A bruised ego?
A boosted ego.
Oh, okay, boosted. All right, I enjoy this.
All right, here she goes using her bathroom rug. Hey, that's working pretty well. Oh, here comes the boxcar.
Do I need to start with a running?
I don't know. Just
No, we don't know. Nobody here knows the answer. Whoa! That's looking good. Oh, I've got to get to them. All right, here he comes. He's actually got a little snowboard, this guy. Trash bag. Oh, it's a trash bag woman in a box. Girl, belly dancer. It's on, and there she goes. Okay, this is swimming pool tub. It's the doubles. They will never be lost in a snowstorm with that vehicle. Oh, clearly! Oh! These are clearly the winners!
Yeah!
These are the winners! What is that? That is a blind?
It's plastic vinyl sheeting.
Plastic vinyl sheeting! There it is, the winning plastic sheeting. Oh, and she is clearly after me. No, boogie board is not a happening thing. Oh, wow, trick riding there.
Alright. I want to do a snow.
Yes, you definitely got some speed on that thing. This is another bathtub boy.
That was fun.
Under the bed container from Target. Not too spiffy, but blue plastic tarp lady.
Double twist. That didn't talk.
Oh! Oh, that one.
Damn.
Oh, whoa, she's in the lead. Oh, I don't even know what's under her, but it's working. Oh. Oh, it's a serving tray.
Show me where the tackle snout
It's a serving tray from
Potbelly.
Potbelly.
Just do whatever you want.
Just put your arms out for balance so that when you... Woohoo! One of his elves. Whoa! It's Trash Bag Man. Oh, he's doing well.
Alright, Lisa, this is gonna work. Alright.
Go Trash Pants.
This is gonna be
Woohoo! There he goes. Oh, Box Boy. Box. Red Box Boy.
I've been given the opportunity to use for the first time today.
Oh, wonderful.
I've been on a lot of video and camera today because I was down at the mall.
Ah.
But most people got me skiing, not trying to put a binding on, so I moved into